Welcome back guys to my new video. In this video my plan is to unbox this new soldering gun kit that I recently purchased. I guess I should have mentioned I'm not a sponsor for this video, so this is something I purchased for myself and I will be using in for my personal projects at home. And I thought maybe I should do the unboxing as well as comparison between this common looking sorters that most of you already have it or maybe planning to buy this, and I would like to show, does it make sense for you guys to skip this small baby one and buy this big 100-watt one? Does that make sense, or do you should you buy both, or should you only buy this? I guess I will be doing the comparison. I also have this gas benzomatic soldering iron, which I guess you may have seen in some of the other videos. I posted one video where I kind of did this hack where you can see the gas level inside. So I kind of got this in past, but I still decided to buy this one. One reason is because it was on sale at Harbor Freight, and second, I always lack of heat when I'm doing certain soldering, maybe removing some little port or something from a main board, some power circuit or something. It just always run out of heat, and in that type of case, I'm just kind of struggling because this one is just not hot enough. And I'm also looking to do the watt test again, not that I care about 30 watt versus 100 watt as much, but I'm more concerned about the heat because this one is rated as 30 watt. I would like to show you guys if this is really 30 watt what it's listed as, and is it really 100 watt. And once I do the unboxing of this soldering kit, I would like to remove, kind of doing a tear down so I can show you what's actually inside, because this is rated get heats up within like 8 seconds, as you can maybe see here. So I want to see like what mechanism is inside that really heats up this 8 or 10 seconds. And yeah, I have this infrared little temperature thing, so I would like to also kind of measure the temperature. Maybe I can show you the difference between this one and this one to see is it really doing what it's supposed to. So yeah, stay tuned with me. I would like to get all this information done in one video. If the video goes too long, I might have to do part 2, because I hate to make just too long video. But anyway, let's get started. And yeah, so yeah, let's begin with let's start this puppy. So yeah, this is the receipt. Again, I got it this week so I can be more transparent. Looks like I paid for this one. It was listed as $24.99, and I'm making this video as of 2024. So I don't know in future what the price will be. I know 5 years ago the price for the same one was like $14.99, so it was pretty cheap. Now when I bought this in 2024, the price is $24.99, and there was a 30%, actually 20%, anything beyond $20. It costed me $21.24 plus tax. So yeah, I paid like 22 bucks and few cents. So again, I think it's a very good price. But yeah, anyway, without wasting too much time, let's open this puppy and we will see what's inside. But yeah, let's see. But yeah, it's brand new. I have not unboxed this yet. My plan was to kind of unbox with you guys so we all can see together what to expect from this new machine, or this new gadget, or new tool, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, meanwhile guys, if you guys can do me a quick favor, just hit that subscribe button to support the channel so I can be more promoted to upload more videos like this. But yeah, let's get this going. And I know it comes with like a 90 days warranty, so I don't think I'm really planning to return, but good to know, just in case something breaks or whatever. I might have to use a scissor. All right. So yeah, that's the first view that we all are looking together. But yeah, there's a little manual, papers or whatever. But yeah, this is the main machine. Yeah, it feels pretty heavy. Yeah, I would say it's good 1.5 pound. It's definitely more than a pound, so it's pretty heavy. I mean, it feels pretty good and sturdy. Very good build compared to this 30 watt one. It's like a light and baby machine. This is pretty heavy, and these are little nozzles, basically these attachments you can replace. I mean, I heard online, or I read online, that these goes bad over time, so that's why they give you extra. Looks like this is flux. So yeah, it's kind of nice that they give you these. Oh yeah, that's nice. They give you this little flux, which is pretty cool, and a little bit of solder. And yep, that's a pretty thick one, so that's a good quality. Or I know they go by mm, so looks like this is, I would say at least, I don't know, 12 mm or so. This is pretty thick one, so yeah, it looks good quality. But yeah, I'm gonna put this aside. So yeah, we're done with this part. So yeah, since we did the unboxing, let's see, maybe let's do the quick volt test before I do the tear down. Yeah, so let's do that. So yeah, again, hopefully you guys can see this. It's showing 120 volt because again, that's what we get in US here. So I'm going to hit the watt button. So it's showing 0.00 or 0.03. I'm going to plug this one, which is the common one, you know, most of us have. I also, I guess, want to mention that I have been, you know, doing a soldering work for personal use. I would say for the last 15, yeah, I think good 15 plus years. So I'm pretty comfortable when it comes to soldering. But yeah, here you can see this is from a Radio Shack. There you go. So this one is rated 35 volt, you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna plug this puppy here. There you go, 18 and 33. So yeah, these are the live kind of consumption of this solder. Again, I'm touching right now because I just plugged it in, so it'll take a while before it heats up. Yep, I can feel it's getting warm. But you can see it's consuming like 33 volt or 31 volt, which is pretty accurate. So, but yeah, you know what? I'm gonna leave this plugged in. So maybe I can show you later with the heat comparison between this, with this one and this one. So let's put this one here kind of carefully, so that way I don't really, you know, burn my table here or this countertop. But yeah, there you go. That's happy. Yeah, let's check this one out now. Again, that's the first time I'm even doing it myself. So let's see. I don't see anything. Oh, I see. Well, there you go. So see, again, this is my first time even using it. So it looks like it's not turned on. You have to press and hold to kind of kick on for this puppy. But yeah, right now it's using 50 volt. Oh yeah, I can see the smoke already. Look at that. That's pretty cool and fast. But yeah, I'm not sure why is it not using 100 volt or 100 watt, I should say, the way it's, you know, mentioned. But whatever. Yeah, I mean, you can see it. This is the Chicago Electric soldering gun. But yeah, let's try again. See, it's using 51, 46, 44. Yeah, it's not touching 100 volt, by the way. I'm not sure why, but yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, it's hot. Alright. But yeah, you can clearly see it's just not using 100 watt like they say, you know. See, 47, 48. But you know what? This is pretty fast. I mean, look at it. Literally in matter of like, I would say 4 or 5 seconds, it's pretty hot. It's smoky. 40 watt. But yeah, I mean, it is hot, but yeah, you can clearly see it's not using 100 watt like they say. But anyway, let's do the little tear down so I can maybe show you, and I'm gonna let that other one heat up meanwhile. So yeah, let's put this aside. All right, hopefully it's cooled down. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is not as hot. It's just kind of, it's warm. I mean, can't really touch it that easily, but I do think this is the main portion that get hot. But yeah, guys, give me 1 second. Let me get the right. Looks like it uses the star shape bit. So let me get that one, and I will be back. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna do the part 2 since it's already hitting at 10 plus minutes. So I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, I'm gonna post part 2 like somewhere, I don't know, here, there, or somewhere on the screen, or maybe somewhere like list or something, whatever the YouTube call it, so that way you guys can see the next part too. And of course I'm gonna show you the tear down of that video. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you in part 2, and peace out and have a great day.